In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your soundbar stopped working. There's a few different solutions, so let's start with the easiest of them and then we'll transition to other solutions. First step, when this happens, I suggest you disconnect the power cable. Then after doing this, go ahead and disconnect your audio cable. Could be HDMI, ARC, optical cable, maybe just a 3.5mm audio cable. Go ahead and remove it. Wait about 2 minutes. If your soundbar has a power button, like mine, it's located right on the side here, press on it 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, remove your finger, connect back the power cable, and then connect the cable where the audio is going through the soundbar. After doing this, go ahead and test it out. Hopefully this will solve your issue and you can quit this video and give me a thumbs up. If not, let's go to the second solution. So if this didn't work, it could be because of your TV actually not outputting any sound. So what you need to do is go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall socket. Wait 2 minutes. During that 2 minutes, if your TV has a power button under the screen, tap on it, keep press on it during 30 seconds, then release it. Next step is to go on the back, and if your soundbar was connecting using an HDMI cable, disconnect the HDMI cable, but also disconnect any other HDMI cables that are connected in the other ports. Then it's time to plug back your TV. Then take your HDMI cable that is connected to the back of your soundbar and connect it first. So over here, I'll put it in the ARC HDMI connector. Maybe yours is the number 2. In my case, it's HDMI number 3. Make sure it's all the way in. This is an issue. Okay, perfect. Now it's in. Do not connect any other devices yet. Go ahead, power on your soundbar, power on your TV, and test them out. If it's working, then you can connect the other devices one by one until you see that it's not working anymore. And now you know that the problem wasn't your soundbar, it was actually the device that was connecting in the back of your TV, forbidding the sound going to it. Now, if this didn't work, go in the menu of your TV in the settings menu. Now, depending on which model you have, it may look different. Here I'll go in settings, go into the audio settings or volume menu, or I don't know how they call it on other brands. So click here, make sure that on your audio output, you select the right output. This soundbar is connecting using HDMI ARC, so this is why I have selected ARC. But if you're using an optical cable, choose optical. If it's using Bluetooth, in this case, well, obviously choose Bluetooth, but do not leave it to auto. Sometimes the TV is not good enough to decide where the audio should go, and by telling it specifically where your soundbar is connected, this can solve the issue. And now on certain TVs, this one does not have it, but I'll put some screenshots for you to see. You need to make sure that HDMI CEC is enabled. On some other TVs, you need to go into the settings, and then under general, there should be an option saying external device manager, and then you'll have access to the CEC options. And again, make sure that this is turned on. Another thing that you can check is by going to the audio settings of your TV. Sometimes it will say digital audio out or digital out or audio out. Make sure that you select PCM. If you have any other solutions on how to fix this problem, please let me know. I'll be really curious. Type a comment down below. If not, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.